chuckles. Ever heard the one about the Jamaican who lost his hat? He said, "Me hot might be gone, but my head nah take vacation, it's still in a Jamaica." Just like that hat, once you've been to St. Elizabeth, a piece of you might always remain in this enchanting corner of Jamaica. St. Elizabeth, fondly known as St. Bess, is a grand tapestry of natural beauty, woven together with rich history and vibrant culture. It stretches out in the southwest of Jamaica, nestled in the county of Cornwall. The parish is a vibrant medley of sandy beaches, lush forests, and scenic mountain ranges that delicately frame the landscape. The capital, Black River, is a quaint town that sits at the mouth of its namesake, the Black River. This river, the widest on the island, is not just a geographical marvel but a historical one. It was once a bustling trade hub during the island's colonial era, and today it offers a serene escape into nature with its crocodile-inhabited waters and verdant, swampy banks. St. Elizabeth is also home to the famous Treasure Beach, a 6-mile stretch of golden sand, warm waters, and endless sunshine. It's not just a beach, it's a community, a vibe, and a way of life. This idyllic coastal paradise is a haven for those seeking tranquility away from the hustle and bustle of city life. The parish is a foodie's paradise too, boasting a smorgasbord of culinary delights. From the peppery zest of jerk chicken to the sweet and tangy taste of ackee and saltfish, St. Elizabeth's cuisine is a flavorful celebration of its African, Taino, and European heritage. Inland St. Elizabeth transforms into a green wonderland. The cockpit country, a rugged and wild terrain, is a treasure trove of biodiversity. Here you can find a multitude of endemic species, making it a hotspot for ecotourism. And let's not forget about the Appleton estate, one of Jamaica's oldest distilleries. Here the magic of rum making comes to life. From the sweet aroma of molasses to the fiery taste of the finished product, a visit to the estate is an immersive journey into Jamaica's rum heritage. In essence, St. Elizabeth is a microcosm of Jamaica. It's a place where the rhythm of reggae blends seamlessly with the rustling of palm trees, where the warmth of the sun is matched only by the warmth of its people. It's a place that once visited becomes a part of you. In this video, we journeyed through the vibrant landscapes of St. Elizabeth. We dipped our toes in the sun-kissed sands of Treasure Beach, tasted the spicy delights of Jamaican cuisine, explored the wild terrain of the cockpit country, and sampled the sweet nectar of Appleton Estate's rum. This is St. Elizabeth, a parish of Jamaica that truly embodies the island's motto, out of many, one people. So until next time, keep your head in Jamaica even if you lose your hat. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel.